Hey guys, welcome back to Volatility TV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys here my profits for today. And actually today I did something different, which is shorting. And you know guys, beforehand I usually practice on my paper trading account before I come back to my live account. So I was practicing shorting or short selling, and until I was comfortable, then I came back to my live account. And as you can see here, I definitely profited on the day, which I have $246.60. If you're not sure what shorting is or short selling, pretty much it's the act of borrowing shares and then selling it right back, or pretty much you're gonna sell first and then you buy it right back. So instead of going long, which is you buy and then you sell, that's what you're doing. You're pretty much doing the reverse of that. So yeah, let's get into it. So I usually sell Amazon. I usually trade Amazon, so the ticker symbol is AMZN, and usually I do 30 shares, as you guys can clearly see here. So let's just open that up right here to show trades. And again, for me to make this video, and I just wanted to show you that it's not about how much I actually made, but it's about the method and what I did and the steps that I took in order for me to actually make this profit. So if you can clearly see here that in the morning time, to me, I thought that I got in a little bit too early, because one, this was at 9:35. You can see right up here on the symbol right here, you can see 9:35 I actually got in, and I sold 26:38. I should have waited, because usually Amazon is very infamous for popping high in the morning. So usually the stocks goes up high and then you can short after it comes back down. So anyways, I took the trade. I was comfortable enough for me to not panic, because I'm not sure if you guys follow /NQ, which is the futures, the Nasdaq futures. It actually was making higher highs, so all-time highs, as you guys can see right here, 10,000, and it was pretty much following that same trend. So let's go back to Amazon here, where you can see where I sold out or pretty much bought back my shares. So I put in my limit order to buy the shares, which is 26.30, and even at one point the stock shot up really high. This was just one spike, so this happened probably 1 minute, and I was actually right here. I was down like $750 or so. But again, I was comfortable enough knowing that the futures were going at all-time highs. Amazon was also going at all-time highs, and I was comfortable enough knowing that it's going to come back down to the limit where I set it for. So, and you can clearly see on the chart here that it did indeed come back down to 26.20, but I put my order for 26.30, and yeah, making me $246 on the day. So yeah, hopefully this is informative. Hopefully you learned something from it. Again guys, you have to make sure you practice first. So I always tell people that you should try to paper trade as much as you can before going into your live account, and then it gives you a familiarity where you can execute the same trades that you were doing in your paper trading account. You can do it in your live account. So yeah, that's just my my video right there. You guys can see from since my last video, I have gone up significantly, which I have $85,495 now. And yeah, I'm just slowly growing it. Yesterday I actually didn't take any trades, because again, some days you have to just sit back and watch the market and all that, and we're gonna see what happens for tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully this video was informative. And again, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. How have you guys been doing? Do you guys actually short sell, or do you guys just only buy and go long, or trade on the day or the minute or the 5 minutes, whatever you usually do? So yeah, again, this is Volatility TV, and smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, the notification. Man, you know what to do, man. You know what to do. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.